Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danny and this is Danny's Beauty Corner. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. Either way, I always love having you guys here. It makes me feel great that you have decided to take a few minutes out of your day to come visit me. So anyway, let's just jump into the video. So yes, I'm in my room. Terrible lighting. I'm so sorry. So today's video is in collaboration again, yes, with a few girls that you guys have seen me collab with already. Krystal, Krista, Ashley, Mandi. But we've got two new girls that are collabing with us. It is Kristen and Bree. So sadly, you guys know me. And you guys know I procrastinate a lot. Can't help that. But anyway, so they've already got their videos posted and I'll link everything down below. And it is another makeup tutorial, or just to get ready with me, I guess. And it is Amethyst inspired look. So Amethyst is actually my birthstone / birth color. And those of you who don't know, my birthday was February the 8th. So this look will be purple. It'll be a purple eye look. So anyway, let's get started. So I really didn't think of any kind of look to come up with, so I'm just really going to wing it if we're going to be honest. And that's kind of how I do all my looks anyway, just kind of wing it, whatever sounds good. Let's get started. So I think I'm going to work out of this palette, the Natural Love palette, and we're going to work on my crease first. And I think I'm just going to do my eyes, and the rest of my makeup I'll just put on off camera just to save time. So I think I'm going to use the Makeup and Chill look right here, or shadow. So let's get started. And I'm going to start putting that in the crease as a transition shade. I'm so sorry about the lighting, guys. I just need to get equipment anyway. I need to get a new tripod. So, like I said, this video should have been up a few days ago. But, you guys know me. I'm a big procrastinator. And those of you who have stuck around long enough, you guys know, like I say on almost every video, I'm a working mom. I work 12 hours overnight. And, I have 3 kids. 2 of them are in school. The other one's a 2-year-old. So, yeah. Okay. So, I think next shade, nothing's really popping out on this one. Let's do the next one. Oh, pretty. I think I'm going to work with this shadow. I don't know what it's... Oh, no. This one's called Live and Lavish. Right there. And it's a lot more purple than it's picking up. I use that same brush, and this one, sorry I didn't say what it was, the Essence Eye Blender brush. This brush is really cool. Oh, that's at Ulta. Y'all. $2. There we go. It's taking a little bit. Put it on. If you hear kids in the background, I'm sorry. That's eating dinner now. And I'm doing my makeup for work. Yay. I love work. And so, I didn't say it when I first started doing my shadows, but I always do the wind washer motion to blend the shadows on and make sure you blend, otherwise you'll have extremely harsh lines and it'll look like you're just getting ready to find full. Now it looks like my eyeshadow is blended, but I promise you it is, and I'll go back over it. And, you know, I'll clean this up and stuff. Now it's not as deep as I want it. Now I normally don't work a brush for crease shadows, but this is a foiled or like a shimmer shade. So I need to a little bit deeper than what it's showing up. Okay, I'll take it. Actually, blend it with this decadent shade, this black shade right there. And maybe it'll help deepen that purple a little bit, because I'm gonna do like a lighter purple on the crease. I mean, yeah, on the crease. I mean, on the lid. Oh my god, I can't talk today. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay. Trust me, I will fix this. It looks funny on camera, but I promise you it doesn't look that bad. So we're gonna fix it anyway. So now I'm gonna work on my lid before I do everything else. So I'm going to go in with, actually, hold on. We're gonna go into that black shade, that decadent shade I was telling you guys about. That one. And put that all over the lid. What? Cold. So heat it up. Okay, so it's black. Now I'm gonna use, this is gonna be not my attempt at a cut crease, but at least to help the light purple stick on top of the black. Oh, and this is the what is this? LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the shade Fairest. And I'm just putting this on top of the black. Now believe me, this is in no means an attempt at a cut crease. It's just an attempt to get that, like I said, the light purple to stick on top of my eye. Using this shade called New Money right there. It looks like it's pink, but it's purple, I promise you. It's like a very light purple. And we're gonna take just some lemon water, spray the brush. Oh. Oh, yes, we're doing the other eye. Okay. Now, we're going to go in with that same purple shade, the Live and Lavish shade. Ooh, sorry, right there. And spray it. Okay, so the lighting is so terrible in my room, so it looks like a really bad look, but I promise you it's not that bad. And so I'm going to blend the rest of this again, just to make sure it's, you know, nice and even. Okay, I feel like I need to go in with another purple. So I think I'm gonna go in with this confetti shade right here. Even though it's like a pink, but I think it'll kind of help make it pop a little bit more. It just needs some really good wetting down. And just lay that right on top of that first shade on my crease. Oh, and this is out of the Too Faced Glitter Bomb palette. I feel like this is a sponsored Too Faced video. See, that purple pops so much better. I'm sorry, I haven't been saying what the brushes are. I've been using the BH Cosmetics 102, and this is it's like a flat shader brush or something. But this is the one I've been using for my crease. Okay, perfect. Okay, great. That's done. And so I'm going to blend out that top again. Actually, we're gonna do the makeup and chill. I'll put that over this again just to make it all even. Okay, so now I'm gonna use, out of the Natural Love palette, I'm gonna grab a brush and know which one I'm gonna use. I'll use the Luxie 229 Tapered Blending Brush, and I'll grab this Stiletto shade right there, and I'll just put this in the outer corner just to have a little clean out. Okay guys, so I'm going to clean this look up. I clean my eyes. It looks so bad on camera, but anyway, so I'm gonna clean up my eyes, do the rest of my face, and I'll be right. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the completed look. Yes, I took my hair down, but only briefly, just so we'll see how it looks with the look. What do you guys think? I know it still looks like it's not blended, but I promise you it is. And I'll put pictures up on my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media, which is mostly Instagram and Facebook. I don't do Twitter or Snapchat or anything. So I will have pictures posted up on my Instagram. So if you want a better look, you know, that's where you need to go. But anyway, that's it. And and also, like I said, make sure you go and follow my girls' channels. Like I said, Ashley, Krista, Krystal, Mandi, Kristen, and Bree. I will have all their links to their videos down below, as well as their Instagram accounts as well. Make sure you check out their videos, show them some love, tell them that Danny sent you, and do my girls good, you know. But yeah, guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm so sorry for the sucky quality. Sorry, girls, that it took so long to get my video up, but it is going to be finally up. Also, I have a birthday haul coming up pretty soon. I need to order a new tripod because holding the camera sucks. And but yeah, that's it. Sorry, this last part of the video is pretty shaky, but that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys will come back. Hopefully I didn't lose anybody. I love you guys so stinking much. I appreciate you guys for checking out my channel. Thank you for checking out my look. Don't forget to look at my girls. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already to me. And that's it, guys. Until next time. Love you guys. Bye.